Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're going to put whatever we have learned into practice. The first chord D. Get ready, hold the chord D. To A, change to E, F sharp minor. Keep holding the chord D, change to A, and E, and F sharp minor. Go back to D, and A, to E, F sharp minor. D again, and A, to E, F sharp minor. Change pattern to bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left. Keep going D, to A, to E, F sharp minor, again chorus, and D, right, left, A, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, D, to A, to E, F sharp minor, verse 2 pattern, bow and right, to E, F sharp minor, back to D again, to A, going up to E, F sharp minor. Keep the pattern, both and right, both and right, both and right, and both and right, and D to A. Going to E, F sharp minor, go back chorus, and we go both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, D to A, go to E now, F sharp minor, one more time chorus to D, to A, to E, F sharp minor, D chord again, and A, both, right, left, both, right, left, change pattern, we're gonna hold, then A, hold on E, hold on F sharp minor, hold on D, hold on A now, and hold on E, hold on F sharp minor, hold on D, hold on A, hold on E, F sharp minor, back to D again, go to A now, and E, F sharp minor, we're gonna still continue to hold, A, and E, to F sharp minor, go back to D again, change now A, change to E, F sharp minor, and then we're gonna hold for a while for the instrumental. So later on we are gonna get ready to our chorus chords D, A, E, F sharp minor. Okay, and the playing pattern is gonna be a both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left, both, right, left to D, A, and E, F sharp minor. Let's go, and D, and A, to E, F sharp minor, new pattern, bow, right, right, left, right, 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 and D, go to A, go to E, F sharp minor, reset, and D, go to A, new chord B minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, again B minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor. We're gonna hold and B minor, hold C sharp minor, hold F sharp minor to end the song. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.